Next, we are going to discuss on the application of e-commerce in supply chain management. Some of you might think, what is a supply chain? Supply chain is a series of process starting from one supplier up to the stage when final product reaches the hands of the customer. Supply chain activities transform raw materials and components into a finished product that deliver to the end customer. Supply chain links value chain. In short, supply chain is a system of organization, peoples, activities, informations and resources involved in moving a product or service from a supplier to customer. Now, let's see what is supply chain management. Supply chain management is the management of materials, information and finance as they move in a process from supplier to manufacturer to wholesaler to retailer to consumer. It involves coordinating and integrating this flow both within and among companies. The ultimate goal of supply chain management system is to reduce inventory. Supply chain management is designed to improve organizational process by optimizing the flow of goods, information and service between the buyers and sellers. Supply chain management encompasses the planning and management of all activities involving sourcing and procurement, conversion and all logistics management activities. It also includes coordination, collaboration with channel partners, which can be suppliers, intermediaries, third-party service providers and customers. Supply chain management includes the following functions: supplier management, inventory management, distribution management, channel management, payment management, financial management, sales force productivity management. Supply chain management flow can be divided into three main flows: product flow, information flow and finance flow. The product flow includes the movement of goods from a supplier to a customer, as well as any customer return or service needs. The information flow involves transmitting orders and updating the status of delivery. The financial flow consists of credit terms, payment schedule and consignments. There are two main types of supply chain management softwares: planning application and execution application. Planning application use advanced algorithm to determine the best way to fill an order. Execution application track the physical status of goods, the management of material and financial information involving all parties. With this, I hope that you are clear with the term supply chain management. Next, we are going to add internet to supply chain management. Then the term supply chain management becomes e-supply chain management. E-supply chain management is the e-commerce platform that helps the business to set up web-based order supply chain management system. The electronic supply chain management is a business framework consisting of many applications such as electronic data interchange, electronic fund transfer, etc. Application concerning demand distribution, transportation planning, scheduling, order planning, production, etc. are incorporated to electronic supply chain management for effective management of various activities across supply chain and integrating with production needs. They continuously link the activities of buying, producing and transporting products from supplier to purchase from, as well as integrating demand side of the business by including web-based order entry system in the process. E-supply chain management can be used to access electronic market for sourcing of products and services to reduce cost, shorten production cycle, etc., resulting in variety of customizable product. By using web-based electronic supply chain management system, business can reduce the total cost of acquisition, possession and disposal of goods, and at the same time adding more value to each of the process by timely execution of the order and thereby satisfying the customer. A large number of companies are turning to web-based supply chain management system. The best example is HP, which has developed a web-based order-driven supply management system. When a customer places an online order, it is routed to one of the HP supplier firm. The order is then forwarded to production system and simultaneously order for the component is forwarded to the warehouse. In the assembly line, the product, here it is computer, is assembled and packed and shipped to the customer. The delivery is also monitored by the supply chain management system. By introducing supply chain management system, HP has reduced the delivery time from 1 week to 48 hours. I hope you have understood the application of e-commerce in supply chain management. See you in the next video of different application of e-commerce in business. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.